Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and luxurious performance machines Mercedes has ever built. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63 SE Performance. This car isn't just about speed, it's about blending brutal AMG power with advanced hybrid technology and everyday luxury. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this model is being called a game-changer in the high-performance sedan world. The first impression starts the moment you see it from the front. The aggressive AMG Panamericana grille dominates the face, with bold vertical slats and a large Mercedes emblem sitting proudly in the center. The headlights are sharp and modern, using advanced LED and digital light technology that gives the car a menacing stare, day or night. The sculpted hood lines add muscle and character, hinting at the immense power hidden underneath. Large air intakes on the lower bumper aren't just for looks. They actively cool the engine and hybrid components, making the front end feel purposeful and race-inspired. Moving along the side profile. The car looks long, low, and incredibly athletic. The sleek roofline flows smoothly into the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette despite being a four-door performance sedan. Wide fenders emphasize the car's planted stance, while the large AMG alloy wheels, usually ranging from 20 to 21 inches, fill the arches perfectly. Carbon fiber accents and side skirts enhance the sporty look and improve aerodynamics. From this angle, you really feel the balance between luxury, elegance, and raw AMG aggression. At the back. The design becomes even more dramatic. Slim LED taillights stretch across the rear, giving the car a wide and stable appearance. The rear bumper is bold and sculpted, featuring an aggressive diffuser that helps manage airflow at high speeds. Quad exhaust tips proudly announce that this is no ordinary Mercedes. And the subtle AMG badging reminds you this car belongs to the elite performance lineup. The overall rear design feels powerful, modern, and unmistakably AMG. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends luxury, technology, and sportiness. Premium materials are everywhere, including fine leather, carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and optional microfiber accents. The AMG Performance seats hug you tightly, while still offering comfort for long drives. They're fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and designed to keep you stable during aggressive driving. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin with customizable colors, creating a high-end, futuristic atmosphere at night. The dashboard is dominated by a large, digital instrument cluster and a massive central touchscreen running the latest MBUX system. Everything feels intuitive, fast, and responsive, from navigation to performance data. You can view hybrid power flow, boost pressure, lap times, and driving modes right on the screen. The AMG steering wheel is thick, flat-bottomed, and packed with controls, including rotary dials that let you adjust driving modes, suspension, exhaust sound, and regeneration settings without taking your hands off the wheel. Now let's talk about what truly makes this car special: the performance. Under the hood, the 2026 AMG GT 63 SE Performance combines a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor mounted on the rear axle. Together, they produce an astonishing output of over 800 horsepower, making this one of the most powerful AMG sedans ever created. The instant torque from the electric motor delivers explosive acceleration, pushing the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just around 2.8 seconds. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, while the AMG Speed Shift transmission delivers lightning-fast gear changes. Despite its incredible power, the hybrid system also improves efficiency and responsiveness. The battery is inspired by Formula One technology, focusing on quick energy delivery rather than long electric range. This means sharper throttle response, better handling, and more control during aggressive driving. Multiple driving modes allow you to switch from quiet electric, cruising, to full attack performance with a single twist of the dial. The adaptive suspension keeps the ride comfortable in daily driving while becoming firm and precise when pushed hard on twisty roads or the track. Asterisk when it comes to pricing. This level of performance and luxury doesn't come cheap. The expected starting price for the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63 SE's performance is likely to be in the high luxury performance segment, with figures ranging from around $190,000 to $210,000 depending on options and markets. With customization packages, carbon ceramic brakes, and exclusive interior trims, the final price can climb even higher. However, considering the power, technology, and prestige, it delivers strong value compared to rivals in its class. Asterisk if you're considering this car. It's perfect for those who want supercar-level performance but still need 4 doors and everyday usability. It suits drivers who appreciate cutting-edge technology, thrilling acceleration, and premium comfort all in one package. However, if you're looking for a purely electric experience or a budget-friendly option, this might not be the right fit. This car is built for enthusiasts who want the best of both worlds. Raw V8 emotion and modern hybrid innovation. Asterisk to wrap things up. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63 SE performance is more than just a fast sedan. It's a statement. It proves that high performance, luxury, and hybrid technology can coexist without compromise. From its aggressive design and luxurious interior to its jaw-dropping power and advanced engineering, this car sets a new benchmark for AMG and the performance sedan segment. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.